Congratulations on your purchase of your new no-throw surf system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it. This is a Malibu with the G10 Plus tower on it. The one thing I'm going to show you is here at the bottom of this, you've got these little set point screws. Those are what's going to dig into your tower to hold this thing in place after you get your set point bolt in there. So we're going to start by dropping this thing down and I'll show you how to put that on. All right, so first thing, you're just going to get a Phillips screwdriver, either this or an electric one. And you're going to pull out the screws all around the top here. And once you get to this one, this will start to drop. And so just slowly take this guy out. And you'll see around the front here that this is dropping right here to reveal this nut right here is what you have to get at. So once that's dropped to there, that's plenty. Leave it alone and we'll get to installing it. Okay, once you've pulled those the little Phillips screws out of the top, you're just going to get your wrench on that bolt and you're going to give her a little bit of a turn there. Just going to take this out. You can do this obviously with an impact drill or just this way. Once you get to there, you're going to take your wrench off and grab onto this so that when this comes out, you don't drop it. And then that bolt is actually threaded through the tower as well. So as it comes out, you can just do this by hand. Spin this guy. You'll feel him come loose. Don't lose your stuff. You don't want to lose any of this. Put that like that. Got a little keeper there. That's all there is to it. Your factory tow point is off. All right, so now you got your factory tow point out. You're going to take this metal insert that's inside your factory tow point, and you're going to slide our nylon bushing. You're going to slide it into that, like that. And then you're going to grab your no-throw. You're going to set this in place, and you're going to slide this guy down on top of here. And you are going to want to clock, if you'll come down below this, Tanner, you're going to want to clock this guy so he's straight backward when you tighten it. This little nub right here, have it pointed straight backward in the boat. So that's right here. Grab your bolt that we provide you, stick it in there, and just start to tighten that down. And then just grab, this is a 3/8 Allen wrench. Hang on to that, and then just run that bolt down, and you'll see it's going to come out the bottom here. Grab your socket or whatever you're going to use to tighten this. And then I usually step back here and look at this and make sure it's going straight back just for the aesthetic on my boat. Got her there. She's perfect. Now I'm going to take this wrench and as I tighten that down, and I'm going to put a pretty good crank on it, those set points are going to dig into the tower and make it so that this thing is now locked in, it can't spin. You're going to grab your nut. This is just a keeper, and tighten him all the way back up. Again, he's just a placeholder. What's actually holding the bolt through is the threads in your tower. So we're going to tighten this guy back up, and you're done. That's it. All right, so that's installed. The only step left was to suck this back up, and all you're going to do is put these screws right back in those same holes and just snug this. If you over tighten these, they will strip. So that's it. Watch the next video for how we set it up like this.